Hi, Richie Sharp from Sharpen Up. Today I'm going to demonstrate some full body exercises using resistance bands. One of the major benefits of training with resistance bands is to make sure that you have to stabilise and maintain control of each exercise because of the constant time under tension, which is especially having to engage through your core to make sure that your body remains nice and stable throughout the movement. The first exercise I'm going to show you is a row to squat. So what I've got here is some resistance bands tied to a beam, or you can tie it to a pole if you like. These ones have handles, so I'm just going to grasp either handle. I'm just going to move out a bit so you can see my feet. Okay, so I've got the further I come out, the more resistance that this band's going to have. So it's up to me to determine how far back I'm going to have, how far back I'm going to go, making sure that I'm in full control of the exercise. The next thing we've got is our feet a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, arms at shoulder length, chest up tall. We're going to perform a squat into a row. And that's the row to squat, so that's predominantly working your back, quadriceps and hamstrings. The next exercise I'm going to perform is a static lunge using a resistance band. So what we've got here, resistance band, I'm just going to place this diagonally across the shoulder and under the opposite foot. So this is just going under the ball of my foot, okay, and what I'm going to do is just placing the opposite leg the back, front leg knee in line with the middle toe, resistance bands directly under the ball of my foot, and as I come down I'm just going to bring my back leg down at 90 degrees, just a couple of mil from the ground, maintaining nice and stable throughout. And then obviously you perform the same amount of repetitions on the opposite side. The next exercise I'm going to perform is a deadlift. So with the deadlift, it's predominantly working majority of all your muscle groups. So it's a massive compound movement where you're working hundreds of different muscle groups. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to come back a bit so you can have a better view. So just placing this band across the ground. Just going to stand directly on the band. Now the further I have my feet apart, the more resistance it's going to have once again. So at this stage I'm just having my feet shoulder width apart. And what I'm going to do is I'm just grasping either end of the band, maintaining a nice straight back, chest up tall, and come up nice and tall. And that's a resistance band deadlift. The next one I'm going to perform is a work in the chest with a resistance band press, or chest press. So once again, just grasping these bands, grasping either handle and taking one step forward. I'm just going to slightly hinge forward at the hip, okay, directly looking straight ahead, and I'm going to press out. Breathing in, breathing out. And that's your resistance band chest press. The last one I'm going to perform is going to work a little bit of core now. So we're going to work a little bit of rotation, great for the abdominals. Just going to grab the band. And what I've done is just making sure that I've got full extension, that there's never any slack throughout the band. Grasping one hand over the other, and I'm going to rotate from one side to the other. And then you'll obviously repeat the same amount of repetitions on the other side. With the constant time under tension that the resistance band provides, it's great for increasing strength, especially where you're stabilising muscles, which will help prevent injuries. It's low impact, which prevents jarring on your joints, a lot less stress on your joints. So it's a great exercise, and you can even work it in with your other exercises, with your traditional weightlifting or weight training. That's everything for the resistance band. Thanks for watching.